Can everybody hear me? My name is D. Jorobe. I'm from the Republic of South Africa. I live in the fourth biggest city in South Africa called Port Elizabeth. In South Africa, I'm part of the mentoring program for the National Youth Development Agency. I have my own social enterprise that helps develop young entrepreneurs to help them develop their own businesses and to teach them soft skills. I am a delegate for the One Young World Summit, in the top 100 youngest brightest minds of Africa, and I'm a former Citizen of the Year finalist for my city. So what I do in Port Elizabeth, I do exactly what I'm doing here in Uganda, which is I try and share business skills with young entrepreneurs who want to start their own businesses so they can get a better chance of getting the national loans that our government has set up for them. But with that said, obviously, there are also certain social issues that we also face in South Africa, which is education is a big part. Poverty is also one of the big parts of the social issues that we face. So I try and partner up with different skills development centers that are educating people and are funding them to go to school, and then I get those individuals from the schools and I teach them business skills. So in a nutshell, with other food security projects, which I target charity homes, and I teach them how to plant their own vegetable gardens, because the whole essence of it is, how can we go hungry if we've got land? So we need to teach and share information with other people in terms of how they can utilize their land to feed themselves and their children and organizations which they're in. So I do quite a number of projects, but I think my 2 minutes is up, so thanks.
Thank you very much, Jay. Geoffrey, tell us who you are, what you do, how you manage to do what you do in 2 minutes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My name is Geoffrey Luka. I am from Bukedia district, the eastern part. Basically, I am one of the co-founders of Team Up Uganda. Team Up Uganda is just a community-based organization. We are struggling, we are yet struggling, but we are seeing success every minute that we are moving in. Currently, we are doing, what Team Up Uganda is currently doing is basically bringing up youth together. Because we have a belief that if we bring up youth together, we shall always have problems. And we share and get solutions within ourselves. So what we are focusing is getting youth together and share our own problems. And say how maybe another person had the same problem and see how we tackle. The problem I'm talking about here is poverty. How do we go about eradicating poverty? Because one thing that we have realized, most of us, we finish school, but we are not able to reach the level that makes us to maybe get unemployment. So we are left vulnerable, and we find a struggling life. So what basically we do is get back those guys, get back those people and say, that's not the end of life. There's still life we can do. We can still do things within our locality. So we basically do that, and we are glad we shall continue struggling until we achieve our goals and changing lives in our community. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Geoffrey. Omar, I'm glad that you're up here already. Just tell us who you are, 2 minutes, what you do, and how you manage to do what you do.
Thank you. I'm Chibo Omar. I'm a farmer, practicing farmer, but also a professional farmer. I'm a member of Farm I also work with Eden. Eden is the Eastern Development Network. We are trying to promote coffee production. Basically, privately, I'm also doing nursery operation. Have a coffee nursery business, but also promote coffee consumption at the local level. So basically, that's what I do: farming and entrepreneurship. That's who I am. Thank you.